Nigeria, Nigerian time. My name is Tedumala. My name is Tanimola. Welcome back to YouTube channel. Post a lot of stuff you care about, a lot of stuff you don't care about. But you watch it because you love us. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So last week we did one video. Sorry, on Monday. Or was it on Monday? Saturday. On Saturday we did one video. We actually recorded 2 videos. Sorry. We recorded 2 videos. We basically deleted one. So we're going to redo the video today. Because we have to post the video tomorrow. So we I'm really sorry for that. So one girl texted me on Instagram. I'll put on the post it. So the girl texted us on Instagram. She said she wanted to start her own YouTube, but she didn't know how to go about it. So she said we should tell her the challenges we face as an upcoming YouTuber. Are you ready? So tell her some lists she wants to share about. She wants to share with us, and we'll talk about them. The first one. Can't find the videos you want to make. That is the money. Like, will you go first or I should go first? You can go first. I'm still putting my own. What I would say about like can't find the video you want to record is one video. That has to do with fashion, hotels, luxury. So many. I actually have so many ideas. That was like she's the brain box where all those content creator. So like, we actually have so many ideas want to do, but then there is no money. So you get like there won't be money. Fashion. You want to create fashion content. So that is you need a lot of money to get a lot of clothes, like expensive clothes. Yeah. So for you to attract more people to watch your channel. Yeah. And you can't find the video. My own suggestion is you just go to your wardrobe, pick few things, go to Pinterest or Google, you check it out, you add it together, subtract and divide it. Then you click. Your video is ready. Based on the funding matter. Okay, let's say you want to record a YouTube channel and you realize you don't have money for cameras, lighting, all those stuffs. Like, oh god, that is crazy. You like some people will get tired. You'll be like, I will wait until I have the money before I start doing this. My own advice is you don't have to wait to get money before. Like Kenny said the other time, she said if you want to go to like hotel, expensive place and do videos and all, my own advice is just do according to your size. Yeah. Don't just go too far. You can see beautiful environments, you can see beautiful restaurants, beautiful hotels, not too expensive. Yeah. You can just go there, buy fish, or you buy water. Just do video and leave the place. Nobody will hold you as long as you buy something. That's it. So number 2, people don't subscribe. This is one of the challenges as an upcoming YouTuber. You will do a video with stress, time to edit and everything. Look, let's just make our own as an example. Okay. You do a video of let's say 2 hours. You keep clicking, deleting, clicking, deleting. When it comes to editing, she will have to edit for like 3 hours again. And we see how many subscribers? Sorry, we have like 256 subscribers now, or 260 subscribers now. So usually we record so many videos with time, space, and everything. You still not see subscribers. I'm using this medium to beg or apologize to people that you should try and subscribe. Share with your family, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to our channel so you can ginger our morale. You will never ever regret it. So you can ginger our morale. Let's start making money to do giveaways too. Thank you. Number 3, not enough ideas. Yeah, this one too is a major. You can't be too intelligent or too brilliant. Yeah, that always brings so many ideas like for us to record on. I'll be like, no, it's not good enough. No, it's not good enough. No, it's not good enough. So we have to like look for content. Like for weeks, you can be searching Google, Pinterest every time. Like so many. I can be on my phone for like 2 hours looking for what to do, thinking, relating with a lot of things. At the end of the day, Madam, we still not approve it. Yeah, that's true. So start number 2. Yes. Try and have that at the back of your mind that it consumes time effort, and passion. So you have to have passion for
it. You definitely can't do it for a long time.
You have to have passion for all these things.
And let's advise that based on that content. If you are looking for ideas, you can just relax.
Yeah.
The pressure is much, but don't feel too pressured.
Yeah.
Just relax and think about something fun to do.
Yeah.
Just enjoy the moment.
Enjoy the moment. Another one.
The next one. To get a perfect editing and a clearer video editing is stressful, super stressful. I won't talk much about that. Let's just give all accolades to my sister. All our videos, both Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and everything, she's always at the peak to edit everything. So I will just let her pressing my phone, and she's
always looking for content too. So I would say on the editing aspect, you as an upcoming YouTuber or even a YouTuber, you can ask any big YouTuber. They will ask any big YouTube content creator. They will tell you that they search almost every time. I can check out 8 apps in a day. I would keep that with myself. I would download, delete them again, download, delete them. Like yesterday night, actually, I came across 4 new apps that I will go and check it. I will go and check them out after this video. So you as a content creator, you have to look for apps every time. Look for
let me advise her. If you are looking for apps every day and you are thinking about yourself because she's rich, for her to be looking for to be downloading different kind of apps every day, let me just advise you. There's the midnight sub. You know you can wake up. You know this thing is sacrifice. If you love it, you have passion for it. You have to just go a long way to do it. Even if you know you don't have money to do subscription during the day, at night 100 naira credit, Glow subscription. You can switch to Glow actually.
Glow, if you are seeing this,
you can switch to Glow. You can switch to Glow. Then this thing you will see their night update. You can do it and check different kind of apps at night.
So you don't have to.
It will not cost you anything.
That's where they said passion comes in. Stick to your craft. Don't give excuse. Even this advice you are giving her, to me, I don't see it as something that you want to start something. Don't look for the challenges first. Enter
for the beautiful things first. You will definitely face challenge. You will definitely
100 now.
You will definitely
like the video we deleted. I basically deleted. Is one of the challenges we faced.
Yes, the video was quite. Now for us to just build the power again, build the strength again, is very hard for the same video.
It's very hard. So don't look for the challenges of becoming a YouTuber. Just start. When you start, you know the next thing to do. You can't just sit down at home and be like, okay, I want to start today. I'm not sure. Just start it, then you will do it.
The next one, not being consistent. Consistency is the major key.
Yeah.
In YouTube, if you are not consistent, like us like this, you are still struggling.
We are still struggling to be consistent.
We are really super.
The initial plan was to be posting 2 videos in a week, but now you are tired. It's not easy.
It's not easy for real.
So you have to be consistent. If you want to be posting 1 video per week or 2 videos per, but for a start, you can always go with 2 videos every week. So I know some YouTubers 4 videos in a week.
I know YouTubers that post video every day. Every single day. Man, that's some odd shit.
Forget about school or anything. It's not easy.
It's not easy. They will still do video and they will still edit it. Man,
if I'm editing, I can sit down for like 3 hours editing 1 video. So like, how do you want me to cope? So it's very hard. That's why
you have to have passion for it.
That's where passion comes in. Have passion for it.
If you don't have passion for it, it's not because others are doing it. You definitely want to do it.
No,
there is no fast money deal.
We did our own for like a year, more than a year.
Sir.
But then there are some people that Grace speaks for. Grace is speaking for us too. That's 100. But then there are people that like that's that grace.
Faster grace.
So you can try your luck anyhow. But don't do it because people are doing it. Do it because you have passion for it.
Definitely. This one, okay, yeah, we said that we talked about it already. It takes times, no this and no peace.
Yeah, we
said it already. It takes time.
It consumes time, a lot of time,
effort, and everything.
No this and no peace, like she said.
The next one, setting up recording space like stand, chairs, and ring lights.
If you've been watching our videos from day one, you see our first video, how it is. So don't say because you don't have space,
you don't have chair, you don't have anything. They are just an excuse.
We started with natural light and one iPhone X. We always kneeling down on the floor. People cannot sit down.
Yes, we are not
always on new.
For like 30 minutes we are recording. We are still cancelling it again. We are still starting again. We keep kneeling down
on the floor.
So
don't say because there's no space. You don't have chair.
Just put it
side
by your window side.
Kneel down and record, my darling. If there's no chair, kneel down. So there's no big deal. Don't give any excuse. There's no excuse for failure. Those who want to do it.
So the next one, clothes. These particular challenges we face a lot because we are twins. We are the only one. It's still very easy for you to just go to your wardrobe, wear something and record.
You know, before we don't always wear the same thing, but now when we started this content creating stuff, so we started like trying to like wear same thing every time, every minute, every second. So it has not been easy. It's like us going back from scratch from day one. Like we started buying new clothes every time. Thanks to Picra, she's always coming through for us.
We love you so much.
So it's like both of us like going from day one, like buying a new clothes every time for teach video.
Okay, let me give an advice concerning that clothes. Just look for a friend that sells clothes. Like Picra, she's a very good. A good friend. Just take any clothes from our shop that you like, and you pay
later
instrumentally.
So that's why I said no excuse for failure. Only if you don't want to do it. And there are some people that will always I saw one video of one girl like that when she wanted to start her own content. She said she always wear her sister's clothes, her mom's clothes, my elder sister's clothes,
her best friend's
clothes. To do all
she still borrow her sister's phone to do it.
So don't know, that's what I said, no excuse. Just start it. When you start it, you know what to do. Don't just sit down and be like, okay, you don't know where to start from. Start it. Just do it.
Even when you are using Infinix, start it.
So don't just.
If you don't start it, you don't have one follower.
Yeah, that's
one view, one subscriber.
One wanted to start. We started from scratch. New YouTube channel, new Instagram, everything from the scratch.
New TikTok, everything.
And thank God.
And now we are still even building ourselves. We are not there yet. We surely get there very, very soon. Closer, as in very soon. For sticking with us through this video, we love you so much.
So till next time we come your way, I assume your babe, Tech babe,
Tanimola. We love you so much.
Bye.